If you want to save money on your next CNC machining project, stop scrolling. CNC is a real game changer in manufacturing. Using very advanced technologies, CNC parts can be produced with higher accuracy and faster lead times than many other conventional manufacturing methods. A key benefit of CNC is the very fast lead times. You can move from design to prototype to qualification batches to production very fastly. And as a consequence, you can bring your products to market a lot faster. CNC machining also offers incredible precision, reduced errors and rework, saving time and money. It also reduces material consumption and in consequence it reduces production costs. But guess what? The benefits don't stop there. By allowing complex geometries and intricate features, CNC really services and serves a whole range of manufacturing requirements. At MakerVerse, we deliver and focus on high quality CNC machining services. This allows very fast lead times, it allows high levels of quality, and it gives you a highly reliable source for your manufacturing needs. We do that by focusing on a very experienced team of engineers and at the same time our digital platform that streamlines interactions between you and our globally vetted supply chain.